Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh and I will teach you today's the science. In science, we have studied matter in our surroundings. These topics have been completed and we have studied a lot. Here is today I will give you the brief convergence whatever we have studied in these topics and which terms we have used. Generally, we have to give the briefs and short concise form so that we can understand it well, and with the help of terminology. Here is the topics. We will write here topic matter in our surrounding. Matter in our surroundings. These are matter in our surroundings. And first we have taken matter, anything that have a mass that occupy space and have a mass occupy space, and does also is a have a volume is said to be the matter. So we have studied about the matter first. Second, we have studied that. So here is the classification of matters. Classification of matter. Classification, there are classification, old classifications like panch tattva. In Panch Tattva, we have studied Panch Tattva 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and air, water, soils, here water, soils, and here is the fire, the sky. Regarding the Panch Tattva, these are the some factors of the classification of matter. Here is the third. So we will see here third classifications of matter: physical states and chemical natures. Third is physical states. On the basis of physical state, we know that solid, liquid, and gas. And on the basis of chemical nature, we know that element, compound, and mixtures. We have studied here element, compound, mixtures, and the fifth we will study here element, compound, difference between high difference between high local motions and instance, low and high diffusions osmosis. We have studied here two topics, and first we will take the diffusion terms. Diffusions means that's anything movement from higher to lower concentrations. Here is the osmosis. Sex as osmosis movement of substances from lower to higher through semi-permeable membranes. Okay. 7 we have studied here the change of states of matters. Change of state of matter. Change of states of matter or interconversion of matter. We have studied the interconversion of matters. How many interconversion of matters we will study here, sir? The first fusions or melting points. Here is first fusion or melting point. Second, we have studied here fusions or melters, boiling points. Here is boiling point, and the third is here's a sublimation. Fourth is here evaporation. This is fourth is here vaporizations, and sixth is here freezing points. Sublimations we have done here, freezing points, and condensations and condensations. Six is condensations, and seventh here is after condensations we will see here solidifications. solidifications. We have studied here so solidifications and seven in the seven, and we will take here in 8 states. We will study what is the in 8 states we have studies difference between gas and vapors. Difference between gas and vapor. What is gas? Gas is anything that have a below room temperature. Room temperature, below room temperature is called a gas. Anything that have some without changing, so means that it absorb energy without changing its positions. Solid, liquid, or gas change into its real states without either taking energy or itself is called vapors. And the ninth is here. Ninth, we have studied boiling points and latent heats. Latent heats. These are latent heats. What is latent is anything energy that was absorbed by substances and require for breakdown or the fusion of anything, any substances or metals is called latent heats without changing its temperature. So it is said to be the latent heats as we have studied here. 10th we have studied here. What will be studies here and factor affecting factor evaporations, factor affecting evaporations. Which factors? Here is the temperature, pressure, wind speed, area. Surface area means temperature, pressure, wind, surface area. These are the factors that affects as the evaporations. 11th we have studied about the both plasma and Bose-Einstein condense BEC. These are the three more states of matter. As we know that the state of matter is only three, but here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states of matter. States of matter. One is first state is solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. These are the situations by means of which these are the whole topics we have studied and given. That's what we have to study matter in our surrounding. Thank you very much for coming. Don't forget to share, subscribe my channel so that I can make you more effective video. Okay, thank you.